Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install version 25H2 on your Windows 11 computer. Now for this you can open Windows settings and then you can go to Windows Update, and then over here you can click on check for update. You will see check for update option. So you can click on check for update and you should be able to see version 25H2 over here. Now if version 25H2 is not installing, if you're receiving any kind of error message or if it is missing over here, then in that case you can go to this website, go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file and then click on yes to allow. Once you run the exe file, if there is any update, you will see the update option over here. You might also see a link to install PC health check app. Like you have to install PC health checkup. You can install it and then you can check if your Windows 11 is compatible for 25H2, if your computer is compatible for 25H2 or not. And then you will see the refresh option over here. You can refresh and there'll be install option or update option. You can use Windows 11 installation assistant to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2. Now for some reason, if it is not working, in that case on the same website you can use media creation tool. Click on media creation tool here, click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. When you run the exe file, you will see this screen. Click on accept. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next over here and then select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save and then let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once done click on finish. Once you hit finish, let this close automatically. It will take few seconds to close. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. Now after the installation, you can go back to Windows Update and then click on check for update once again. And if you find 25H2 over here, you can try to update it. And you can even check, type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer. Make sure like while using media creation tool, it might be updated to 25H2, so you can check it. Now then you can click on check for update, install it. If you don't find again 25H2 over here, in that case you can use media creation tool, Windows 11 installation assistant once again. You can download it, run the exe file again. You can click on yes to allow and then you can install PC health checkup and then run it, refresh, and then you will see install option, install it, and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.